Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. To create a weather app using JavaScript, start by planning your app's features, such as displaying current weather forecasts and location-based data. First, choose a weather app like openweathermap or weatherapi to fetch weather information. Next, set up your project structure by creating an UTML file for the user interface, aux file for styling, and a JavaScript file for functionality. Begin by designing the with input fields for location and a display area for weather data. In your JavaScript file, use the fetch API to retrieve weather data from the chosen API based on user input. Handle responses by parsing the json data and updating the relevant weather information, such as temperature, humidity, and conditions. Finally, implement error handling for invalid inputs and ensure a responsive design for different devices. Test your app thoroughly to ensure it works as expected before deployment.